Hello everyone, welcome to Arun's TechForge. I am Arun Burwa and today we will learn how to automate inbox with n8n for Gmail categorization and replies. So let us begin. Okay, here is the screenshot of the workflow that we will design today. First of all, why do we need to categorize? Think that this Gmail is your business account or client's business accounts where you get responses from customers. It may be customer support asking for some other information. You may get bills, invoices. Okay, for that we need to categorize and draft the email replies with the help of n8n so that our life become easy, right? So let us begin. Let's go to the browser. Okay, let me just show you my Gmail. Here you see I have already created accounting, customer support and some other labels. Currently these are empty. Okay, and this is the mail I sent from my other emails pretending I am a customer and I am having problem with the website. Okay, so basically I am asking for support. Now let us start working. Click here, select the Gmail and Gmail trigger on message receive. Select your own Gmail account credentials, switch off this simplify, fetch the data. Yeah, we fetch it, go back, that is the work area. Let us click an agent node, AI agent, click here, click on define below. Now we will define a user prompt. That's I already copied somewhere. Let's see. Yeah, this is it. So this is the user prompt I have written. Task: categorize the incoming email into one of the following categories: customer support, accounting, tax info. Then generate a structured JSON response with three fields: label, summary and response. Output format will be label. This will be category name, for example, customer support or accounting or my tax info. Summary, a short summary, 1 or 2 sentences of the email's main point. Response, a polite, professional reply to the sender. Okay, that's the output format I want, and this is the example I have given. Label will be customer support, for example. Summary, the sender reported an issue with their website, something like that. And response, hi there, thanks for reaching out, we will provide customer service ASAP. Okay, so let me copy this part, go back here and paste it there. Okay, then we will be requiring a specialized format. Click on it. Okay, now let us also add a system message, and here is the system message. The below is: you are an agent that classifies incoming emails and generates structured output. Your job is to read the subject, and here I use double star and double star. It means it is bold. Okay, so this type of prompt is actually called markdown prompt. So whatever is bold, you write within double star. So here I have written like this: your job is to read the subject and body of the email and do the following. Always return a JSON object with exactly 3 fields. and this is what we have written. Don't include any extra text outside the JSON object. Let us copy this guy and paste it here. Okay, that is done. Now let us add a model. Click here. We will use OpenAI chat model, and you use your own account. From the model list, for this task GPT 4.1 mini is enough, so I have selected it. Okay, let us go back, and let me also take a structured parser. Okay, click here. Now we will use our own schema. Click here and we will define this schema. So this schema will be also same. This guy, we want this type of output. Click here and let us go back and check. Let us execute this. Some error is there, right? In the subnode structured output parser, I think we missed comma or something like that. Okay, let us try. Let us see what happened. Yeah, let's see some dot like this, right? Maybe yes, I forgot to put a comma there. Let's go back. Hope this time it's run. AI agent. Let us now create another agent. AI agent. Okay, we will do that 1 minute. I want to rename it to say label agent. Label agent. Okay, it will be responsible for labeling the mails. So let us click here. We would be taking define below this label. Yeah, okay. Then we add a message. So based on the label, input, no, add the label using the tool. Okay, and here we will also add label colon. Okay, then we will add a chat model there. This chat model, we can just use this guy. Okay, next is we need to attach Gmail to add label. Okay, so let us add a label in the tool chain. So click on this tool plus icon, go there, Gmail tool. Okay, so the operation, it's a message, no, it's a label, get many. Okay, that would be good. Yeah, we will execute together. Okay, anyway, let me click on here. Yeah, let's go back. Now let us add another tool chain, Gmail tool. So it will be a message. Operation will be, we will add a label, right? Somewhere we will see add label. Then this message ID, we will take an expression then dollar Gmail trigger dot items dot JSON dot ID. Okay. Okay, now label name, let this AI decide. Let us also add a description based on the label input. Say choose which label to add. Okay, it should be a label typ type user user. Okay, I think that is it. Execute this step. Oh, from here we won't do that. We will write the entire agent again. Okay, not executed successfully. Okay, now let us see the mail. Yes, you see it labeled it correctly, customer support, and here also we will get this mail is labeled now. Okay, next task would be to write the draft. Let's go there. Now let us create a draft. Say Gmail, we will send the draft, right? That is create a draft. Select this create a draft. Gmail resource draft operation, and this guy will be the subject. So we can take the expression, say it is dollar Gmail trigger dot items dot JSON dot, here we get the subject sub, that's the subject. Okay, next email type. So this will be this particular output, right? Let us write text, and it will be an expression dollar. We take it from the agent. So message we will take it from agent dot items dot JSON dot output dot response will be there. Yes, that's the JSON format we have defined in our prompt, right? That's the thing we defined in the output parser also. We want like this, so that's why it came like this. Okay, now we have to come down and click on, we need the thread actually. Click on this guy. There we will write an expression dollar, it will be Gmail trigger dot item dot JSON dot, here we will take the thread ID, thr thread ID. Okay, this we will take the thread ID. Okay, what else we need to take? I think two messages we need to take, right? Reply to. So that will be an expression that will be dollar Gmail trigger dot item dot JSON dot whom we need to send. We need to send the sender. It is the from. Okay, so the sender is this guy, so we will send it to this guy. Dot, I think text, yeah. So see, we will need to send this. Okay, I think that's it. Click on it. I actually want to associate this guy with the previous node. Okay, so this agent will be responsible for creating the draft, and this will be only responsible for labeling it. Okay, now let's give a try again. Click on it, executed successfully. Let's go and see the mail. So customer support label is already done, right? We need to see the draft now. Yeah, so see, it has entered the address correctly. So this is what it has written. Thank you for reaching out. We will be looking into missing. Okay, this would be the missing order details. Okay, but I think anyway, it has missed out something. We need to refine our prompt. We can do that. It's not the missing order. It was having website problem, right? Anyway, if we refine our prompt, then this model will correctly identify and it will send a correct draft. That is why drafting is necessary. We would have sent this message directly, right? But we didn't do that. In my previous examples, I have shown direct reply also from the Telegram I think post. Do you remember those? So that is why, you should always draft it and check it only after manually. If you find it is correct, you can click the send button. Okay, another important point I want to show you now, that is we want to modify this a little bit. So think that we need, there is too many back and forth, and there is also CC to some person, right? In that case, this won't work actually. In that case only it will send to the sender, but what about the CC, the person who are in CC, right? So we have to use a map function that I will show you now. Okay, so let us do that. So this would be from dot, we will use value is there, right? Yeah, we will use value dot, we will use a map function. This is a JavaScript function. Okay, so map item points to item dot address. Oh my god, address address. Okay, then we have to use dot join, join, and in the join actually we use a comma. Inside this, suppose we have more than one person at the email, right, with comma or the CC, then this syntax will do. If you execute, you will get the same email for here because we have only one email ID. So this is another syntax you do. So this is it for guys today. So here we end our lesson for today. Have a nice day. Please share, subscribe, and put this bell icon. Thank you so much.